Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to ArmidilloTek for sending me out 3 cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now, before I go on, I want to make sure you understand that this video is being made pre-release of the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra. We're also using replica devices to showcase the ArmidilloTek Vanguard series full body dual layer rugged cases with kickstand. So hopefully if you're watching this after the fact, you've already ordered in 1 of 3 of these cases for 1 of 3 of these devices. $18.98, not a lot of money to protect these spendy smartphones. Slap a case on them. There are a couple areas I will not be able to test out in this video. Typically I like to take some pictures testing out the cutout area, making sure that that area is not going to cause any shadowing, any kind of quality issues when taking pictures or shooting video. I will not be able to test out wireless charging. But let me tell you right now, all the cutouts will be precise and wireless charging is going to happen for you. Now, you may have to move the case around just a little bit to find that sweet spot because these are a little bit thicker than your average case. But with all of the ArmidilloTek cases that I have tested out here on my Project 13, I have had no issues with any of the cutouts. Everything is precise, and wireless charging, no issues whatsoever. So with that being said, let's unpack these cases and get a good look at what they're going to look like on your S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra. I went ahead and unpacked the Vanguard S20 case and the Vanguard S20 Plus case. Using the kickstands on the back, you can see we have landscape mode here and portrait mode. We're going to do a full unpackaging of the ArmidilloTek Vanguard for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So let's go ahead and get into this very nice simple packaging. We'll pull out the case. Got some information here. Please read everything. Got some instructions on how to use this type of 2-piece case for either one of these 3 devices, how to use the kickstand, and on the other side, some really good information. Please read everything. All right, 2-piece case. We have hard plastic material on the back and the frame of the case. Got a little sticker here pointing to this tiny little gap here, and that's how you're going to separate the frame from the back part of the case. We do have TPU material all the way around, and you have this ridge design on both sides that will give you that added security when sporting this case on either one of these 3 devices. Totally digging that design. Power button, volume rocker there, and if you want to use the kickstand, that is how you do that. Very simple, very easy, clicks back into place. Okay, up top we have a cutout for your mic, cutout for the other mic, cutout for your speaker grill, and right here we have a flap to protect the USB Type-C charging port area. So let's go ahead and remove this little sticker here. Okay, there's that little gap. Put my thumbnail in there and separate the frame from the back part of the case. Got that flex, the TPU material that surrounds that back part of the case, so that's nice. Okay, and we're going to put this over the top of the S20 Ultra, just like that. Okay, looks really good. And then I use my desk as a tool to put the frame that's over the top of my S20 Ultra. I use that as support, and we're going to work our way all the way up. Okay, bringing both pieces together, just like that. All right, nice. There we go. Very nice. As you can see, we have a lot of lip at the top and at the bottom of the case to protect that beautiful dynamic AMOLED display when setting down on flat surfaces. And if the surface is a little bit rough, you should be fine. There's a lot of protection going on there. And on the back, that huge camera area, wow, that's a huge camera. Huge hump, protrudes out. You're going to need a lot of protection, and you have that here with the Vanguard ArmidilloTek case. Look at the cutout. Look at the depth. And even though that camera area protrudes out, you can't even see it with all of that depth going on. Look at that. When setting down on flat surfaces, or if the surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be fine. All four corners protrude out to give you a lot of protection if you were to drop either one of these devices sporting either one of these cases on the ground. So you're not going to have any problems taking great quality pictures and shooting great quality video. That cutout is going to give you plenty of room to utilize those cameras. Man, lots of grip, just solid, just solid. Feels great in hand. Get a good look at that case. S20 Plus. Okay, same thing going on here. The difference is that the camera areas are a little bit smaller with the S20 Plus and the S20. Okay, look at the difference. Just crazy. Same materials, same look, same design. It's just those camera areas there. It's going to be different. Okay. Look at that. Wow. That looks good. Looks sharp. Okay. Look at the lip. Same design. Same feel. Solid. Corners to absorb a lot of shock. Awesome. And again, wireless charging is going to work. You just have to find that sweet spot. And most of the time I set it down and it starts right up. But there have been some times where I have to just kind of move it around just a tad bit and boom, wireless charging begins.